Hi everyone, I'm Emma from China, and our company's name is Ningbo Beilun Tiaoyue Machine Corporation, and ONEREEL is our brand name. We are one of the leading cable spools manufacturers and exporters in China. This is our sample room, and we can see they are including so many different spools, and for example the yarn bobbin, the plastic spools, and the iron spools, and also our aluminum spools. And so today I will introduce you the 3D printers cable spools. Look here. We have 10 different models in our sample room. You can take a look like this. The color can be transparent and black or white and any other colors. The flange diameter we can make from the 140 to 200 millimeter, and the net weight can be 61 grams to 270 grams, and the materials of this 3D printer spools can be PP, PVC, ABS, or PC. You can provide your dimensions for us, and we will customize for you. For example, you can give us the flange diameter, the barrel diameter, and the middle hole diameter, and also the outside width and inside width. And we will customize for you because we have the experienced and professional engineer to track all the process. And our cable spools are produced according to the ISO 9001 to 2008. And so welcome to inquire us, and it is our pleasure to help you. 好像有点短。